God. Yeah, man. Jeez.
Here we go. It's Wednesday. I just got off work and feel like catching some trout today, so I got a good feeling. I got 2 dozen mud minnows left over from Sunday. That's right, I managed to keep them all alive. I lost 2 of them actually, and since Sunday morning. And a pack of Berkeley Gulp mud minnows right here. Give these a shot and see how we do. Never tried them. Mainly stick to my jerk shads and swimming mullets. So I don't know. They eat the mud minnows. So let's find out if these here gulp mud minnows will do the trick. I got a little bit of paddling ahead of me, so I'm gonna shut this off and I'll see you guys at the spot. Got my live mud minnows. I got my pack of gulp new penny mud minnow / croaker. I'm at the spot. Let's see what happens. I even brought some dead shrimp. See if there's any like black drum or anything hanging around. I've caught little puppy drum here before. I'm hoping I can hook in a couple keeper black drum. That would be sweet. I'm not using a jig head today. I'm actually using just a standard Carolina rig with a circle hook. I got about 2 feet of mono because I'm out of fluoro and I haven't got around to buying more. Oh well. And I want to go ahead and welcome our new subscribers. I hit 500 a couple days ago. It's pretty amazing. I said it once, I'll say it again. I never expected to have this many subscribers. It's pretty cool. I created a like page for my channel. It's only got like 81 likes on it right now. It's been up for a couple of weeks now, and I'm wondering if the like page has brought me some new subscribers. He doesn't feel that big. That's a little smaller trout. It's a little guy. Did I get it? I got it. Skinny little trout. Skinny guy. I'm not even going to measure him. He's probably 13 and a half or 14, so. Alright. Still got my mud minnow, so I'm just going to throw him back out there. There's a little something going on. Oh, there is something on there. Alright. That kind of hit weird. I don't think it's not a flounder though. And here I'm getting little pecks on that. I hope it's not a catfish. Well, it's a trout. Lazy ass trout. If he does measure up, he's gonna be a lower slot. Yep, 15 and a half, 15 and a quarter. I'll let him go. There's bigger ones in here. So, oh, what the hell? Oh, see that? What was that about? Little redfish. I still had a mullet on here when I threw the hook in the water. And a redfish just came right up to the kayak and ate that, I'm sorry, mud minnow. Nice blue on its tail, look at that. Cool. Huh. Alright, this one feels pretty decent. Come on. Yeah, that's about a 17. Godly, and he got off. He was about 17 or 18. He would have gone on the stringer, but he got off right there. I gotta look at him. That was pretty cool. Look at him. He's hungry. That's for you, Joe Herberson. Fuck them crabs. There he is. Doesn't feel that big. The whole school of finger mullet right there. That's what they want to eat. And there's another one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh snap! Oh, that's a big one right there. Yeah, it is. Oh, double hookup. Nice. Oh, this one feels pretty big. Oh yeah, come on. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Alright. Easy. Measure him real quick. This guy. He's 14 3/4, right at 15, whatever, he can go. Pretty sure this one's going on a stringer though. Yep, that one's 16. One for the cooler. Yeet. Oh, he's on there. Guess came back for it. There goes that one. Damn it. Did I hook him? I don't think I did. I don't think I hooked him. Nope. Probably got away with my minnow too. It felt pretty light. Look at there, barely hooked him. Right in the side of the mouth. He's definitely slot. Another 16. Sweet. I got gnats going in my ear, but we're catching fish. There he is. Uh-oh. I wonder if he's foul hooked. He feels pretty heavy. Ah, these freaking gnats. They're getting bad. Is he foul hooked? No, he's just barely hooked. He's barely hooked. I don't think he'll make it. Nope, 14 and a half. Pretty fish though. Trying to let you go, but you're freaking out. There you go. Oh snap, there he is. Whoa. Might have spoke too soon. Uh-oh. Got him running over there towards the grass. He's coming right to me now. Get out of that grass. Smart. So you guy, are you short or what? I think he is. I don't know, he might be 16. Oh damn. Okay. What do I do? I got too much going on here. So we're coming up on the end of the video. I want to thank you guys again for subscribing. Please like and share the video. Tell your friends and family, anyone who's interested in fishing. After this point, I caught a few more trout, but nothing over 16 and a half was probably about the biggest I caught today. I guess that's what I get for using small mud minnows instead of the large finger mullet that I'm used to bringing out here. The bugs are really bad, man. They were like swarming all over the camera and going up my nose, and I was losing daylights. So till next time, I'll see you guys next week, and keep fishing, man. Just keep doing it.